Let's look at this thought that I've talked about in earlier classes, the idea that random combinations can drive radical innovation. And let's take a look at how we can learn how to make these type of connections. We've started with the basics. We've built on these simple ideas, simple concepts, this line upon line. The idea of simple variations on a theme, this Scotch yoke. We start with a simple Scotch yoke, vertical. We add pieces, this piston here. Then we change the angle. We change the angle straight to an arc. And then we jump across boundaries. We mix and match and start adding different concepts together. And that's what we're trying to do here. Look for interesting variations and combinations. The idea of looking at earlier ideas to spark new ideas. So let's take these two examples and build upon the idea of a hammer here. How do we adapt that hammer over here and create something new? Let's start by going to our class files and opening a folder Hammer Variations slot. Double click on that and open the assembly slot hammer. Now what we'd like to do here is modify this base piece first. I'll just spin this around, open, and I'll grab this edge here. Let's just pull this out 50. And then I'd like to go to this hole on the back, identify the hole, I'll spin it back around to the front and fit the view. And I'm going to grab the arrows right here and we're going to pull this across. Let's pull this across 55. And then we'll drop it down 25. And when we close and return, this should all update. So let's close and return. Open up link 01. And I'm going to grab this end cylinder face, grab on the axis. Let's extend that out 110. And let's fit the view. And on this end, let's add a hammer head. So I'll just go out here to the center rectangle, lock to this face, and right at this end point, and draw a rectangle about this size. Go back over here to extrude. I'll use a chain and extrude that out about 25, and I'll close and return. Run our motor.